Education Minister Thokchom Radhesham says implementation of Citizenship Amendment Bill poses no threat to Manipur. And Governor Dr. Najma Heptullahi inaugurates week-long 6th Intercollegiate Youth Festival come Sports Meet 2019 at Central Agricultural University, Hiroshima. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Afternoon News. I'm Laithama Monica with the latest news updates. Education Minister Thokchom Radhesham has asserted that a Citizenship Amendment Bill imposes no harm to Manipur and welcomed holding of discussions if it is otherwise. He was speaking at the prize distribution ceremony of state-level essay competition at the auditorium of Manipur State Film Development Society in Palace Compound today. The Department of Education schools organized the competition on the theme Citizenship Amendment Bill. Education Minister Radhesham maintained that Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019 seeks to amend the Citizenship Act 1955 to grant citizenship to Hindu, Sikh, Buddhist, Jain, Parsi and Christian migrants from Afghanistan, Bangladesh and Pakistan who have settled for at least 6 years in India as of December 31, 2014. He clarified that the bill seeks to grant citizenship only to migrants who have been taking refuge for a long period in India and not to any new migrants. He assured that the bill will never harm the territorial integrity of Manipur and urged the people not to be apprehensive. Minister Radhesham mentioned that there is no case of any migrants who have settled in Manipur before December 31, 2014 applying for Indian citizenship. He appealed to the people to hold dialogues to clear any doubts so that appropriate measures may be taken if deemed fit. Speaking about the essay writing competition, Minister Radhesham stated that the event aimed to raise awareness about social issues among students and to enhance their personality. Expressing happiness over the mass participation by students from across the state, the Education Minister assured that the department will further organize such events in the future. Education Commissioner K.H. Raghumani, Education S Director T.H. Kiran Kumar, Director of Higher and Technical Education Malim Nganba Chinglai, and top officials of Education Department attended the event.
Ground moi vote nei birakpa ground na karino moi political party yaudri yaro ba sarkar tawi thabuk tawdri yaro ba lalo na kelakpa leingam na selakpa kangbu do akoi gi mi moi ri selaga akoi india ai macha ha na pulling ede leram kangbu do selakpa ne ba sela leiraba kangbu do adu da pibe gi wane ba yaram de illegal ai wai lokto illegal wa lo noi di yarni hai ba gi amendment du ne ba adu ha na leiraba mi sing do kadom da no manipur sang tois gujarat Punjab ta Maharashtra da Delhi da sanga ga leiraba mi sing do akoi manipur da sanga tois kadai da no mayam ne manipur lakh tara sanga ni karora ma bangladesh thorok dan leire karora thore manipur lakh tara sanga tois kadai sanga tois lakh tara no high risk provision amendment yaw risidi 2014 31st December adu bhaw da lakh raba adu bhaw da leiraba mi sing do na sahi taruk suraga adi yani hai bane ba adu bhaw do ji bhaw kanam da lakh leiti manipur da adu bhaw do citizenship apply tawraba Buddhist Christian Hindu adugumba laaga leiraba apply tawraba kan India government tawraga so Manipur leijagen tawraga so akoi la le akoi Manipuri ne Manipur leijagen tawraga so DC dagi aya verify tawraga sumra yengwan yenga kan noi Manipuri sakibana tra do lerama mi adu mari mata ne du sumra yengwan na tharaga adu approve tawraga na changan ga do bane ba adu Manipur da mayam saksin laktur sikadai da no sine mayam no confuse se
Governor Dr. Najma Heptullahi inaugurated the week-long 6th Intercollegiate Youth Festival come Sports Meet 2019 at Central Agricultural University in Hiroshima today. 13 constituent colleges of Kao in Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Sikkim, Nagaland and Tripura and 6 Krishi Vigyan Kendras are participating in the festival. Speaking at the event, Governor Dr. Najma Heptullahi expressed firm belief that the festival will instill the spirit of passion and dedication, love and peace and oneness among the youths. She maintained that Manipur is called India's powerhouse of sports because of its remarkable contribution in the field of sports. She encouraged sportspersons of the state to strive towards excelling at various sports events in the world. Governor Dr. Najma Heptullahi added that the recent initiatives of the center to improve and promote sports will greatly facilitate sportspersons of the state. Kao Vice Chancellor Professor M. Premjit was among those present in the event.
The Central Agricultural University has done a commendable job in uniting the youth of the different constituent colleges from different states of the Northeast region on a single platform. Such festivals come as sports meet can spread the right message and infuse the right spirit of love, peace, compassion, hard work, and commitment among the youths.
Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Justice Sarat Arvind Bobde taking over as the 47th Chief Justice of India. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Afternoon News. Justice Sarat Arvind Bobde took oath as the 47th Chief Justice of India on Monday. President Ramnath Kovind administered him the oath of office at Rashtrapati Bhavan. Justice Bobde succeeds Justice Ranjan Gogoi, who retired on Sunday. Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla, former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh, Home Minister Amit Shah, BJP veteran L.K. Advani were present on the occasion, among others. Justice Bobde will have a tenure of around 18 months till his retirement on April 23, 2021. Justice Bobde was elevated as the judge of the Supreme Court on April 12, 2013. He was part of the 5-judge Constitution bench which delivered the landmark Ayodhya verdict. The 6th ASEAN Defence Ministers Meeting Plus ADMM Plus will be held in Bangkok, Thailand. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh along with 17 other defence ministers of ADMM Plus countries will attend the meeting. On the sidelines of ADMM Plus, Rajnath Singh today held bilateral meetings with U.S. Secretary of Defense Mark Esper, Deputy Prime Minister of Thailand General Prawit Wongsuwan, Defense Minister of Japan Taro Kono, Defense Minister of Australia Linda Reynolds, and Defense Minister of New Zealand Ron Mark. Mr. Singh reviewed the entire gamut of bilateral defense relations with the respective leaders and discussed ways to further improve the ties. The filing of nominations for the second phase of assembly elections in Jharkhand will end today. 20 constituencies will go to polls in this phase on the 7th of December. Scrutiny of nominations will take place tomorrow. November 21 is the last date for withdrawal of candidature. The 81-member Jharkhand Assembly will go to polls in 5 phases between November 30 and December 20, and the counting of votes will be taken up on December 23. Now the sports news. Laishram Sarita Devi of Manipur is among the 6 boxers from 5 continents who were elected as members of IBA Athletes Commission. Sarita is inspired by Muhammad Ali's achievement and turned professional in boxing in the year 2000. She is the DSP in Manipur Police. The election of the Athletes Commission members was organized during the IBA Men and Women World Boxing Championship 2019 in Russia. Boxers from all over the world voted for new members, 1 per continent, except Europe, which has 2 representatives. Before we end, a quick look at the headlines once again. Education Minister Thokchom Radhesham says implementation of Citizenship Amendment Bill poses no threat to Manipur. And Governor Dr. Najma Hapillah inaugurates week-long 6th Intercollegiate Youth Festival come Sports Meet 2019 at Central Agricultural University, Hiroi Center.